It may be October, but it sure does feel like Christmas here at Creekside Nursery. Join me as I unbox all of these gorgeous, brand new, never to the market yet, shrubs from proven winners. Stay tuned. Hello friends, welcome to Gardening with Creekside. I am Jenny, and today we have a very special video that I am super excited about. The great folks over there at Proven Winners and Spring Meadow Nursery have sent us this fantastic box full of new shrubs that they will be introducing in the coming years. Some of them will be introduced this spring and some will be coming, like I said, in the coming years. Now, today we are just going to do an unboxing and show you the plants, give you the names and just their basic information. So stay tuned for upcoming videos where we do in-depth details about each plant. We'll kind of group them. There's a lot of hydrangeas in here. There's the clematis, all sorts of things. So we will go through and do subsequent videos where we go into lots of great detail about each one and how you can use them in your garden. But this is just a fun unboxing. So this is exactly how it arrived to us yesterday, late afternoon with FedEx. So we're just going to try to get in here, and I'm hoping that it's just going to kind of fall apart. These plants are like full size, ready to go. Some of them have blooms on them. They are just in great condition. But Jerry, I think I'm gonna need your knife, bud. So Jerry has, the shrink wrap is holding it. So will you just do the shrink wrap? So the shrink wrap is holding it together. We didn't want to do all the shrink wrap at first because we didn't know if it would just kind of go bloop, and all, just like that. So they are in these great boxes. Now, they're kind of on top of each other, so I'm going to have to be careful as far as how I pull them apart, because heaven knows you don't want to damage the plants. All right, so we had to pause the video just for a second there because these guys were really packed in here, so we kind of took everything apart. Now we're really ready to show you these great plants. All right, there is going to be a whole new series, new introductions of clematis. So all of you fantastic people who are asking for clematis, this is going to be the Sparky series, and y'all, these are prolific plants. So there's actually three colors. There is pink, there is purple, and then there is blue. Clearly these are great vigorous plants. So all of you who love your clematis and your climbers, you might want to check out this Sparky series, because we will have all of those. I mean, look at that. That is a gorgeous, healthy, very happy plant. So this was actually the pink. Then we had that purple and the blue. Now, some of you are not very fond of this plant. I personally think it's fantastic. And if you have a rodent problem in your yard, then you really should have this in here. Now, this is a gorgeous new barberry. This is Sunjoy Neo. Look at the color on that. Absolutely gorgeous, perfect for fall. Now, why do I say that if you have a rodent problem that you need barberries? Because they do have little thorns on them. Now, again, you're not going to put this right beside your front door so when you walk by you get stuck all the time. But this would be great out in the landscape, in the perimeter, on the perimeter of your yard, to keep those guys out from even coming into your yard. I know a lot of times people will plant barberries like underneath the windows of their house because it's a great natural deterrent from anybody trying to hide in here. I mean, nobody wants to go hide where it's prickly, but absolutely gorgeous, beautiful fall color. Love this Sunjoy Neo. When I opened the box yesterday, I was like, oh my gosh, what is that? And then I stuck my hand in there to move the paper, and I was like, oh, that's the barberry. Because you know right away. Now, there is going to be a whole new introduction of a butterfly bush. This is going to be part of that Lo and Behold series. This is Ruby Chip. Nice, look at all that great foliage in there, nice and compact, beautiful classic, kind of that purple blue color on it, really pretty. You can see these were all the spent blooms, so it was really full when it was in bloom. Of course, if you're looking to attract your pollinators, your butterflies, then you need to get a butterfly bush. So this is a new one to the Lo and Behold series, and it still has lots of buds that are yet to open in there. But look at that color. Oh, so pretty. Now, there's going to be a lot of new, I'll say a lot. There's going to be 3 new introductions of Viburnums. Viburnums are just wonderful plants, and these two actually go together as a pair. This is yin and yang. So the two of these you would want to plant together because they will help pollinate each other to give you those fantastic blooms and all of the wonderful characteristics of viburnums that we love. So again, the folks at Proven Winners are just absolute geniuses when they're naming their plants. So you have yin and you have yang. So they go together, yin and yang. Lovely, and I love the color of the stems, a nice red burgundy. If you just bought this for the foliage alone, it would be stunning, absolutely gorgeous. And then you have a nice big one. This is going to be another viburnum, a lot more, you can see it's a lot taller, and this is going to be, I believe this is, oh gosh, I don't know. We'll put the name up on there. Nice, gorgeous, healthy, nice thick stems, beautiful color. It's starting to turn kind of that burgundy color, so even in the fall you'll get great foliage on it. So love that one. Gives you some nice height. Now let's go enter into the world of hydrangeas because there are tons and tons of hydrangeas over here. I don't know if I said this before, but not only is Proven Winners the #1 plant brand as far as selling plants, they have the most plants out there on the market, but they are also the #1 seller of hydrangeas. So they have got tons of new introductions. This one is in full bloom. She is absolutely gorgeous. This is going to be a new introduction with the Invincibelle series. This is Garnetta. Gorgeous mauve colored blooms. It's perfect for fall right now because it just blends in with that great fall colors. Just a fantastic, gorgeous color. So here we go, Garnetta. Then we have, let's see what this one is. A new introduction with the Let's Dance series. I love the Let's Dance series because they are just great, reliable, wonderful hydrangeas. And this is going to be the Big Band series. Obviously it's not in bloom right now, but it's got gorgeous thick foliage on it. A very happy plant. So this is going to be a great one. All right, now there are going to be 3 new introductions coming out in the spring of 2021. So these will be on the market and available for you to purchase then. You know how much I love the whole Limelight series, both Limelight and Little Lime. Well, they have a new introduction to the family, and it is Limelight Prime. Now, Limelight Prime is going to offer you a lot more color variation in the fall. It has gorgeous red stems up here on the new growth. So you have that, of course, the classic white, creamy Panicle hydrangea blooms on it. It's going to be a little bit of a different size. We'll have all that up on the screen for you, but just a brand new, if you like the Limelight series as much as I do, welcome to Limelight Prime. Huh. These are going to be so much fun to plant. I can't wait. Next, Firelight Tidbit. So right now, Tidbit is just a little, she's a little tidbit, but just another, of course, we love Firelights because the Firelights, again, are that great creamy white Panicle hydrangea that turn to a gorgeous red later on in the season. This will do the same thing, a little earlier, a little darker, and a little bit smaller. So that's why it's called Tidbit. It's a little bit of a smaller version of the Firelight that we all know and love. And then the last one that is going to be brand new is going to be part and a new addition to the Quickfire. So there's already Quickfire, then there's Little Quickfire, and then this is Quickfire Fab. Again, has that gorgeous red stems on it, a happy, beautiful plant. Cannot wait to see what this beautiful thing does. Then we've got 3 more hydrangeas. Proven Winners does not mess around with hydrangeas, I can assure you of that. So this is going to be We Bit Grumpy. So there's a whole new series of We Bit Grumpy and We Bit Giddy. Again, great names on these things. So they have just that classic mop head. These are going to be nice and petite. So if you're looking for a great hydrangea to put in near your walkway or in a large container, Giddy and Grumpy are going to be 2 wonderful options for you. Let's see if I can find the other one. Here we go. So this is Giddy and this is Grumpy. Right now they look very similar. The color on these will be pH dependent, so depending on your soil pH level will depend on your color. Pink, blue, purple, all of that. But nice petite hydrangeas. And then the last but not least, we've got one more hydrangea, Tough Stuff Aha. So we love the whole Aha series, well, the Tough Stuff series. This is Aha, a great lace cap hydrangea. It's just going to do wonderful. Serrata series or variety of hydrangeas will do fantastic, really hardy. Prefers a little bit more shade, so if you've got some shade, the Tough Stuff Aha would be a great choice for you. But like I said, remember, we will come back through and do a whole series on the hydrangeas, the clematis, all of those different ones, where we will give you all the information that you could possibly need, applications on how to use them in your garden. But we just wanted to get these out of the box, show you what is up and coming in the world of plants from Proven Winners, and kind of just to whet your appetite and get you excited. Hope you have found this interesting. As always, please like this video, subscribe to Gardening with Creekside. We will see y'all next time, friends. Have a great day. Bye.